We explore the rumored March release date, the leaked internal tutorials showing redesigned high-density batteries, and the game-changing Fly Now, Frame Later 8K imaging systems that are set to redefine aerial cinematography. Additionally, we analyze the massive 28% price drops on the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo, helping you decide if you should grab a deal now or wait for the next generation of immersive flight technology. The DJI Avata 360 leak. There is a fresh wave of excitement building in the drone world regarding the upcoming DJI Avata 360. Well-known DJI insider Jasper Ellens recently shared an update on X that grabbed everyone's attention immediately. According to him, the leaks we have been seeing are not just random rumors, but are entirely legitimate and confirmed. The official unveiling, if everything stays on track, the official unveiling could happen as early as March of this year. This does not sound like a distant prototype or a concept buried in development, but feels ready for launch. Reports suggest China will be the first market to receive it, which is the typical rollout strategy for DJI, internal proof and battery tech. One of the strongest signs that this drone is nearly here came from a low-resolution internal tutorial clip. The clip reportedly shows how to insert and activate a redesigned battery, which is a major hardware change. Internal activation guides usually only exist when review units are already in circulation with early testers and creators. Redesigned charging hub. When that happens, it means things start moving very fast in the production and marketing cycle. An image showing the Avata 360 interface inside the DJI Goggles 3 confirms it is positioned next to the Avata 2, side by side. The new drone appears slightly larger to accommodate the dual-lens system and processing power. Size and regulations. Earlier guesses that it might stay under 250 grams are now looking very unlikely due to the new sensors. Design leaks suggest a refreshed body style along with a new multi-battery charging hub for 3 batteries. The redesigned battery reportedly has a flatter and more compact shape compared to the older bulky models. Thermal. Management upgrades, improved energy density, and better thermal management are also rumored to handle the 8K video processing heat. Flight time is expected to land somewhere between 23 and 25 minutes for the standard flight mode. That would put it right in line with the Avata 2, which remains a solid benchmark for FPV drones, 8K 360. Video power. Multiple reports suggest the drone could record up to 8K 360-degree video for ultimate post-production freedom. Imagine blending the immersive world of 360 action cameras with the wide, high-speed freedom of FPV flight. There is even talk of a rotating or switchable camera system allowing pilots to shift views mid-flight. Advanced O4 transmission leaks point toward O4 class video transmission, suggesting compatibility with the newest DJI goggles. Some whispers even mention real-time reframing previews in the live feed, which would be a major leap forward. After months of silence, the drone community suddenly feels alive again, as these pieces line up perfectly. Unbeatable Avata 2 deals, the quiet build-up phase seems over, and the DJI Avata 360 no longer feels like a far-off dream. While we wait for March, the DJI Avata 2 has just received a very significant price drop online. It is now at its lowest price since December, making it a tempting choice for those on a budget. Fly More Combo Value. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo with 3 batteries is currently available for around $859 on Amazon. This package is packed with value, including the drone, 3 batteries, and the 2-way charging hub. You also get the DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 controller for a complete flying experience. Massive savings potential, originally priced at $199. This combo is now discounted by 28%, which is a massive saving for beginners. If you use an Amazon store card, you can even get extra gift cards to bring the price lower. This makes it one of the most affordable ways to enter the DJI ecosystem with full warranty support. Anti-Gravity A1. The Challenger. When I first came across the Anti-Gravity A1, I genuinely paused because the claims were so bold. The company calls it the world's first drone capable of recording full 360-degree video in 8K resolution. It raises the question of whether this is just clever marketing or a true shift in the industry. Dual lens system. At its core, The A1 is built around a dual-lens 360-degree camera system that sees everything at once. Instead of pointing a single lens forward, this one captures the entire sky and ground simultaneously. You don't need to stress about framing before takeoff because the camera records every single angle.